Top 5 Best Soldering Station in 2025.
Number 1. This product stands out for its exceptional quality, stellar reviews, and unbeatable value. It's the top-selling and most popular item of 2025, making it a must-have for everyone. Orders, reviews, rating. For update price, please check description box. Number 2. Our second choice is another best-selling product, offering exceptional quality at an affordable price. If you're on a budget, this is the perfect option for you. Stay tuned to see why this product stands out as a fantastic deal in 2025. Orders, reviews, rating. For update price, please check description box. Number 3. This is best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating. For update price, please check description box.
Number 4. Silverflo 938BD3 Soldering Station Multifunctional Soldering Iron Holder comes with a multifunctional soldering iron holder, including a metal cleaning ball and sponge for easy maintenance. Digital temperature calibration. Digital temperature calibration enhances work precision and efficiency in soldering tasks. Auto sleep mode features a sleep mode that automatically activates after 10 minutes, conserving energy and prolonging tip life. 2-in-1 hot air gun station. Versatile 2-in-1 design with a hot air gun station for precise PCB rework and soldering tasks. Rapid heating T12 soldering iron. Equipped with a T12 soldering iron, this station heats up quickly, ensuring efficient soldering. Number 5. FNIRSI DWS200 200W Power Repaid Heating Soldering Iron Staion. DWS200 is a 200W high-power precision soldering station launched by FNIRSI. It is a commonly used hand tool in electronic soldering processes. This product has a built-in high-power pure copper transformer, suitable for 100-240V voltage input, with a maximum power of 200W. Supports conversion from degrees Celsius to degrees Fahrenheit, adjustable temperature range 100 degrees Celsius 450 degrees Celsius / 212 degrees Fahrenheit 842 degrees Fahrenheit. It also supports preset 3 sets of temperature values and can be connected to a soldering iron stand for standby induction. Use dynamic temperature curve mode to try monitoring data, HD color screen, intelligent control, adaptive wide voltage, 100-240V, input, maximum power 200W, fast heating, multiple preset groups, convenient and fast, supports F245 and F210 handles, with strong compatibility, real-time sleep mode to extend the life of the soldering tip, multi-mode real-time monitoring of power and temperature status.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and stay with me.